Hey everybody, David, aka RVJedeye. Normally on this channel, we celebrate the RV experience, the traveling, the cooking, the adventures, the DIY projects, all of it. But right now, we're in a difficult place in the world. We're battling a pandemic of COVID-19. So many people are dealing with this coronavirus right now. I just want to start off this season letting everybody know that we can get through this together. Please search out those health experts wherever you are in the world. Take precaution, be safe, don't panic. We will get through this all together. For more information on the coronavirus here in the United States, please head over to cdc.gov for the very latest information. Now, time to have some fun. Let's kick off Season 5 of the New Adventures of RVJedeye. Let's do this.
We're doing something again for the very first time for the RV. Oh, buddy, and you're coming with me. I love when that happens. Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and I am checking out my very first RV show. As you can tell, it's cold.
It is an RV and camping expo, so we have a ton of RV units available, and it's year-low prices on brand new models. And then we also have a ton of campgrounds and just things that will supplement your camping trip, like lawn furniture and fire pits and quick fire and just all kinds of stuff that will supplement. So it's really a one-stop shop to get everybody really excited about summertime and vacation and relaxing and warm weather when it's snowing out. You think about the warm stuff. We do it year-round here in Wisconsin. Yeah, we RV year-round in Wisconsin, so it doesn't have to be only summertime. And these units are built for all the weather, so you get a generator and you can heat that thing up in the winter time. You can cool it down in the summertime, so it's really an all-weather thing. Fall colors RVing is really popular because of the beautiful colors that we have in all parts of Wisconsin. Like Door County is beautiful, northern Wisconsin, up the North Woods is beautiful. And basically, really, any time of the year, winter camping is becoming more of a thing around here. It's not for me personally. I like a cozy kind of gal. I like the fireplace inside, but certainly opportunities to do all kinds of camping and RVing in the all four beautiful seasons of Wisconsin weather. The big advantage is A, you get a lot of variety. B, you get everybody in one place. So if you have a particular brand that you're looking for and that dealer maybe didn't bring a model in that brand, they know their inventory. This is what they do. So they know everything about all their products. If you tell them, I really want, a slide out to go this way, or I want this many beds, or I want the kids to have their own room, they're gonna be able to nail that down and give you everything that you're looking for. And same thing with the campgrounds. If you want to go to a campground that has a beach, if you want to go to one that has a lot of bike trails or whatever you're looking for, they know their stuff. They're really passionate about this industry, so it's a great one-stop shop because you can talk to everybody and make all of your summer plans. So we're in one of the rows. We have 6 rows of RVs, and this is the Cunis Country RV section, and they're kind of laid out by brand. So they'll all have their signs and everything up too, but all kinds of. Ooh, this one's sold already. That's exciting.
That's very nice.
Yeah, I love to see that. We're only 2 days into the show and it's sold. Oh, this one's sold too. Wow. Okay, well that's great. Doesn't mean you can't get one just like it though. You totally can. So it's just really cool to see. The dealers are really proud of their inventory and they clean it. They get it really nice and looking perfect for you. The lights are all on inside all of them, so when you peek inside, you can kind of see it. They put their steps down, so during the show, you can walk in every single one. So a lot of people treat this as kind of a destination every year.
Yeah.
They get their Bloody Marys, they get their group together, and they come in and they check out all of the units and they really make a day of it. I know there's people here that spend 2, 3, 4 hours here.
Oh wow.
On the day just looking at everything. They want to see what everything is, and The dealers are fantastic. They're
So-
such a great group to work with, and I love it.
So what was the process of trying to get everything in here?
Well, it first started with, we're actually walking on the ice rink right now.
Right.
So we do hockey. We have a hockey team, the Green Bay Gamblers, and they play all the time. We also have the University of Wisconsin Green Bay Phoenix basketball team, that men's basketball team that plays in here. So we alternate quite often. Our operations team has to move people move this from an ice deck onto a basketball court, and then there'll be a concert coming, and then there's things like this. So we had to cover the ice with an ice deck, and then we had to build some additional flooring on the ends, and then push all the bleachers back, and then we had to even take out 4 sections of bleachers on that side and get those pushed back to make it to go into the connector. So
wow.
it was a lot of work, and our operations crew is amazing. Amazing. They're so good. So yeah, it's a lot of work, and then these get driven in here one by one. We have to give them a staggered time for move-in because obviously they have to come in. You know, the south end has to come in first,
right?
And the north end is going to end it. But just getting everybody moved in. I mean, the ice deck was kind of shifting a little bit, and pieces are popping up, and it was like, oh my goodness! But we got everybody in. We're set. We had enough space. The fire inspector liked our 7-foot aisles, so. It was a lot of work trying to go in a place we hadn't done this event in before. So usually we're used to 50-some years in some other buildings that we know exactly how everything's going to fit. Here it was like, we hope it's going to fit.
Okay, so you mentioned up above a little bit. Why don't we go
so
check that
there's
out?
a second floor.
Yeah, let's
we
go
got to
check
go
it
up some stairs.
All right,
or we can maybe ride the elevator. We'll see what's closer.
All right.
Okay.
Remember, if you like the content that you're seeing here on the show, make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification, and then whenever a new video comes out, you'll be notified right away. All right, so Amy, where are we here?
We are now in the second level concourse. So this is upstairs. You need to take elevators or stairs to get up here. The entire concourse, we have 96 vendors up here. And some of them have bigger booths than just a 10 by 10. So this is one of our other sponsors. They do bag giveaways, and they have former Green Bay Packer Gilbert Brown as their spokesperson. He was here last night.
Okay.
And his nachos and his popcorn while he was presenting. It was hysterical. He's hysterical. And it's everything. It's everything you can think of. I mean, just so many different, a lot of campgrounds.
Yeah.
Because that's what people want. They want to come here and they want to book their trips for the summer, and they do a lot of bookings while they're here, which is really fun.
Now, is that a big thing to book early?
Mm-hmm. Yep,
Okay.
there's a lot of places fill up, especially if you are want to rent. Some of them have, if you don't have an RV, some of them have like yurts and cabins and all that stuff too. So, it's kind of first come first serve. So once those are gone, they're gone. So yeah, it's important to make those reservations. I know my kids go with their grandparents every year, and they already booked it at the end of last year's trip for this coming summer. Already booked.
Okay.
So it is. It's a big thing. If that's what you do, that's what you do.
So now, like down in Florida, a lot of state parks and things like that. What's it like here?
Yeah, it's very similar. So actually, I know the Wisconsin state parks are here, the Brown County parks are here, Shawano County, a handful of the Marinette counties, Oconto County are all here. Those are some of the surrounding counties.
Okay.
They're here representing and talking about the different opportunities for camping within those as well. Yeah, definitely have the same thing, and you can get your state park sticker or your county sticker on your vehicle, and you can do all the fun camping things. A lot of them have beautiful trails too, which is really awesome.
So
Right?
how many vendors do you have both downstairs and upstairs?
So we have 9 RV dealers throughout the complex, and then there's 96 up here, and there's about 100 non-dealer vendors. Wow. Yeah. And the plan would be next year to expand that even more with a new building, and we'll have more square footage, so we can hopefully invite even more people in, more campgrounds, more accessories, more cool stuff.
So do you have, I guess, a plan, a vision as you move forward with all of this?
Yeah, originally the plan was, we're going to get everybody inside, and then some of the guys were like, we still like the outside space. And I was like, okay. So the new expo that's being built is going to have a beautiful outdoor space and actually a lot of indoor-outdoor space.
Okay.
So we hope to really utilize that as we're going forward. Is how can we make it more of an experience too? The booths are great, but are there more experience type things that we can do? Maybe can we do something where there's how to pitch a tent classes, or just have actually tents set up and people can do little overnighters with their family or something during the event, or extreme camping. I know last year we had a cool display with extreme camping. We didn't get to have that again this year, but maybe next year going forward. But those elevated tents and stuff, just all that kind of cool stuff. But just trying to offer more experiences. That's really what people are looking for when they're going to shows now, is they want the experiences. So when they come here and they can try the dips, they can go in the RVs, they can sit in the chairs. People like that. They don't want to just look at a brochure. They want to talk to people and they want to have experiences. So that's kind of what we're hoping for it.
So that's going to do it right now for me. You can follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, enjoy yourself. Who knows, you may end up in a place like this enjoying some amazing RVs.